QuickBooks versus Stripe. Which payment platform is better? Choosing the right payment platform can completely change how you manage transactions without unnecessary hassle. QuickBooks offers comprehensive accounting, while Stripe focuses on flexible online payments. QuickBooks and Stripe serve different but overlapping needs. QuickBooks is an all-in-one accounting solution with payment capabilities, while Stripe is a specialized payment processor designed for seamless online transactions. The core difference lies in accounting integration versus payment flexibility. QuickBooks is a leading accounting software that integrates invoicing, expense tracking, and payments in one platform. It works by connecting your financial data with payment processing, allowing businesses to send invoices, accept payments, and automatically reconcile accounts. Its strengths include robust bookkeeping tools, tax management, and detailed financial reporting. QuickBooks simplifies managing cash flow and accounting tasks, making it ideal for small to medium-sized businesses that want an all-in-one financial solution. However, its payment processing can be less flexible compared to dedicated platforms, and fees may be higher for some transactions. Users who need comprehensive financial management alongside payments will benefit most from QuickBooks, especially those who prefer a platform that handles accounting and payments together. Stripe is a specialized payment platform designed primarily for online businesses and developers. It enables fast, secure payment processing through APIs that integrate with websites and apps, supporting credit cards, digital wallets, and other payment methods. Stripe's strengths lie in its flexibility, scalability, and developer-friendly tools, making it ideal for e-commerce, subscription services, and marketplaces. It offers advanced features like fraud prevention, multi-currency support, and customizable checkout experiences. However, Stripe does not provide built-in accounting or invoicing features, so users often need to pair it with accounting software. It's best suited for businesses focused on smooth, customizable payment processing that can scale as they grow, especially those with technical resources to implement its APIs. QuickBooks excels when you want an integrated financial platform that combines accounting, invoicing, and payments in one place. It's perfect for businesses prioritizing bookkeeping and tax management alongside payment acceptance. Stripe shines in scenarios where online payment flexibility and customization are critical, especially for tech-savvy businesses needing advanced payment features. The trade-off is between QuickBooks' comprehensive financial management and Stripe's superior payment processing capabilities. For example, a freelancer managing taxes and expenses may prefer QuickBooks, while an online store with complex checkout needs will benefit from Stripe. Choosing depends on whether you want all-in-one accounting or specialized payment processing. Choose QuickBooks if you need a complete accounting solution with payment processing built in, ideal for managing finances and payments together seamlessly. Opt for Stripe if your focus is flexible, scalable online payment processing with developer tools and customization. Pair it with accounting software for full financial management. Both platforms excel in their domains, so select based on your business priorities and technical needs.